In this episode, we'll talk about XRP and XLM, two ledgers that the Treasury utilized to tokenize. I feel the same way. For the purpose of tokenizing treasuries, stellar ledgers, more especially XRP and XLM, are being mentioned here. This has taken place previously. It was yesterday that the news broke. We can walk through it together. I'll take care of this. After we discuss Ripple's new partner, we will examine price charts and discuss market manipulation. Despite these companies' best efforts, the viewers of this channel are refusing to give up their beloved cryptocurrency. Put this matter to rest right now by taking a seat. Alright, let's get started. A single Bitcoin is now priced at $97,575. Within the past day, there has been a surge of 83%. The current price of one Ethereum coin is $2,676. Though it had a nice surge earlier, our darling XRP is now down 1.51%. Even though it went up here, which was great, it wasn't very noteworthy, ultimately coming to $2.47. In the last day, there was an increase of slightly more than 6%. How do we move forward from this point? As much as I'd want to, I could tell you this on this channel daily. It's obvious. Our focus is only on Bitcoin as an investment vehicle right now. Moving Bitcoin must immediately commence. So far, it has yielded zero outcomes. Low temperatures prevail. $90,000. A price range of $93,000 to $97,000 is considered ideal. The creature loves it, but what you know isn't comprehensive. Being aware of the result allows it to stay there forever. There is no way any of us will be able to shake hands here. Do you approve of that? So, go ahead and enjoy them and Bitcoin. But we are aware of your destination, it cannot be altered. You are owed the amount of $175,000. We are pleased to announce that TO, Ripple, and Tokyo Relations have teamed up to provide the Ripple community with a monthly digest of the latest news, statistics, and insights. A new coverage of Ripple has been announced. Lust, the XRP ledger, and XRP are other terms. I am intrigued and shall observe their reveal. This doesn't seem like a real product to me. Additional data and metrics reveal who is making use of the XRP ledger. My God, I don't know where these people are. Are you aware of their involvement? What are they planning to do with it? How does it communicate with those that view it? My guess is that they'll release that one. Therefore, we will be attentive. There will be eyes on their every move. However, it is fascinating to see new organizations, including research firms, publicly proclaim their partnership with Ripple and the potential replacement of their quarterly reports with it. To me, that doesn't make sense. Who knows? We'll learn. Here, we will be concentrating on the XRP chart. By the way, I had no idea we weren't truly switching displays. We ask for your patience. I'll take care of this. I swear. Thank goodness we were able to resolve this issue. No matter how impaired your vision is, we will still have to make our way over here and probably do one of them. Got it, I will demonstrate it to you. Here we have the XRP chart. It appears that you failed to notice that this section addressed token interactions. Allow me to present you with the XRP chart. On this, we will concentrate. Here it is at the 4-hour point. The 4-hour news actually makes us look fairly good. If this doesn't turn around entirely in the next 4 hours, which I don't think it will, the first stage of short-term price movement is 2 candle closes above the exponential moving average. EMA. We can make it more visible to you by turning on the magnifier when the light turns green. This green should turn purple in the next day or two if we keep going in the same direction, giving us nice price movement heading up to the midterm. The daily chart shows that this is completely out of whack. Having said that, it's alright. Remember that you are allotted 4 hours. In the short term, it appears promising, which can lead to greater price projections and more activity. The data that I input is this. It was recently discovered. Wow, I am absolutely astounded. Depository receipts for broken XRP will soon be available to buyers that fulfill the requirements. Do you happen to be familiar with their name? What the hey? It was the subject of an entire topic. I pray to you. A system known as GPT-Chat accompany me. As mentioned in the article, Depository receipts are tradable financial instruments that symbolize ownership of assets such as cryptocurrency or stocks. Digital asset equivalents of equity-based American Depository Receipts, ADRs. Depository receipts, DRs, are backed one-to-one by XRP, which is held by a custodian. This has stunned me. Our support is one-to-one. Organizations will be motivated to implement this. We require exposure suitable for institutional investors if the price of XRP is to climb above $10. Broking accounts will allow traditional investors to purchase XRP, and they might even be able to avoid some of the regulations and restrictions that govern cryptocurrency exchanges at the moment. Put your worries about Coinbase's $20,000 weekly cap to rest. After that amount, though, Coinbase will freeze your account and ask for identification, hair, and saliva samples to confirm your identity. At the repository, who signs these receipts? People, small businesses, and large banks all have a stake in Bitcoin. This will have an impact on the soon-to-be implemented ETFs. What does the acceptability of XRP look like in this context? Smoother and less viscous. The arrival of the ETFs is contingent upon our receiving the depository receipts, which we already possess. Also, remember that this will bolster the link between conventional banks and the Bitcoin markets. This has stunned me. Truly, this is astounding. Here we can see the direction XRP is trying to go. The institutions will reap the benefits, and banks and large sums of money will be interested as well. I let everyone know about this. I have been thinking about Ando a lot lately. I understand it. But I still think Ando can boost this cycle by a factor of 10 to 30. In any case, independent of any financial advisor, but rather based on my own study. What then does Ando release into the world? I take it they hit their peak, then. Apologies, but they had Eric Trump on their side. Donald Trump Jr. gave a speech during the gathering. It follows that, because. Now you'll discover whether you're naive. Tokenizing tangible assets is the starting point. This includes stocks, bonds, and real estate. Good news. Franklin Templeton, BlackRock, Wisdom Tree, and Wellington are already collaborating on tokenization. Trust me, this becomes super critical when you start tokenizing real estate, equities, bonds, and ETFs. Plus, because to Ando and Ripple's partnership, these items were tokenized on the XRP system. Ando said yesterday at the conference that they are tokenizing or will release tokenized treasuries. Tokenized treasury will be distributed by us. Soon after, the public will learn that the XRP ledger and XLM would be used to tokenize other assets, including treasuries, stocks, bonds, and ETFs. Envision it. Is taking a step back to see the larger view in your plans. By use of these depository receipts, banks will pour enormous quantities of money into XRP. Major banking institutions and financial entities. Finally, Ando emerges from hiding. His collaboration with Wisdom Tree and BlackRock to tokenize various assets, such as treasuries, real estate, stocks, bonds, and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, is now public knowledge. One of yesterday's most significant announcements came from Ando, who emerged from hiding to disclose their plan to utilize the XRP ledger and XLM. Do you realize the gravity of this? As a last point, Donald Trump Jr., who is a featured speaker, spends 30 minutes talking about Ando. The president has publicly supported cryptocurrencies. All of the US dollars are displayed. That was unexpected, wasn't it? Are you beginning to see the big picture? Tokenization is where it's at. The Trumps are aware of Ando's actions as well. When we speak of the Trumps, we unmistakably mean the entire Trump family and administration. The actions of Ripple are known to them. Ando claims they are tokenizing with the XRP ledger by combining these two instances. Am I no longer in your thoughts? Attention, everyone, chaos is on the verge of breaking out. This one is going to be really insane, so be ready for the ride of your life.